Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Imran, ayah number 53 onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربنا آمنا بما أنزلت واتبعنا الرسول فاكتبنا مع الشاهدين. ربنا. Whenever you find ra with fatha or dhamma, you are making ra heavy, and to make ra heavy, you are going to lift your tongue, back of your tongue towards your palate. Rab, ra is attached with ba, and ba is a shadid harf, so the sound should cut off right away. Rab, and for fatha, open your jaws. Na, this is mad mun. Okay, let me take my pen. Okay, so this is 4 counts long. Why? Because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Munfasil jaiz. Rabbana. This is Hamza, this is Alif. So there should be a very clear difference. Hamza is from your throat and Alif is from your jaw. And for Fatha, open your jaws. Man. Meme is attached with Noon, and Noon will get Gunna Kamila. So we'll write capital G to make sure that we are creating this Gunna. Man, this is Gunna, and Na, this is Mad, and that will be 2 counts long. B for Kasra, give E sound. Ma, 4 counts long, because this is Mad Munfasil. Jaiz. Bima, Hamza is very sharp. For Fatha, open your jaws. And this is Ikhfa, and this is Ikhfa with Za. So every Ikhfa is different. So this Ikhfa with Za, you will keep your tongue straight, because Za is a light letter, so there will be a light Ikhfa. So keep your tongue straight, and by keeping tongue straight, you will just say you will not move your tongue and create sound from your nose. Azal, and za will give you a very buzzy sound, that is Z. This is not seen, okay? And this is not between seen and za. Be careful about it. We make mistake here by creating this za with seen and za. No, it's za. This is Z. Z, zal, and that there will be tawassut on lam. Give a little time to pronounce it. Zal, ta. Ta is short, and ta is a very shadid harf. So pronounce it, and the sound shouldn't be long. Ta, what, for wow, join the edges of your lips and give a nice big hole in between the lips. What, ta is very shadid harf, so the sound should be pronounced and cut off right away. What, ta, ba. For fatha, open your jaws on ba, and ain will get tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. That sound should be from your throat, not from your mouth. So ba. Now for noon will be light, but ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra will be heavy. And how you make it heavy? By lifting last part of your tongue towards your palate. Now ra is short. Su, 2 counts long. La, short. Rasula, fak, fa. Give hums on fa every time. Whenever you are looking at fa, give hums. This is related with hums all the time. Whatever fa has the position, you will give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. And how you will create, you will say this sound should be there. And then you will attach with kaf. Fak, and kaf will get hums again. So I'll write capital H and M. So I'm not writing all the abbreviation, but you can write as I'm saying it for you. Fak, tube. For Dhamma, make sure you circle your lips, and the moment you will touch ba, your lips should be straight, and ba will get qalqala. Tube, na is 2 counts long. Short. From your throat and attach with sheen. Ash. After creating sound from your throat, then attach with sheen. Ma'ash. Sha is 2 counts long. He, for kasra, give E sound. He, and the sound is very short. He, deen. Mada arid sakoon will get 4 counts long. And when you will stop on noon sakina, because you are stopping on noon and giving sakoon on noon, it will get tawassut. Shahideen. Short, short. ومكروا ومكر الله والله خير الماكرين. Wow, for wow, you join the edges of your lips and give a nice big hole in between. Ma. The way wa is short, ma is short, ka is short. All those three have one length. So this length should be equal. Ma, ka, ru is heavy and 2 counts long. Short, ma. Meme, the makhraj of meme is touching upper lip to lower lip with softness. Ma, ka, short. Kaf has no hums when this is mutaharika. Don't say ka. It's not ka. It's ka. Clear, with shidda, with very strong sound. Wa, ma, ka, rallah. That will be heavy. Ra will be heavy. And Lafz Jalala will be heavy. Why? Because there is fatha before, and the letter before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is Ra, and Ra is with fatha. So this Lafz Jalala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. And you will make it 4 counts long because this is mad arid lisakun. Rallah. And how we'll get rakhawa, because whenever ra is with sakun, we'll get rakhawa. The sound, the letters of rakhawa are other than shidda huruf and other than tawassut huruf. What are the huruf for shidda? Ajit, qatim, bakat. I hope you can see the screen. Yes. Ajit, qatim, bakat. And the letters for tawassut are len amr. So, other than these words, all words are rakhawa, and ha is not among ajit qatim bakat and not among these lin amr. So it falls under the section of rakhawa, and rakhawa is the flow of sound. The sound flows very well and flows till you have breath. وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ. This sound should be there. Wallahu, wow will stay light, but the lafz jalala will be heavy. So make sure you make wow light and lafz jalala heavy. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with lam, and then the moment you will touch lam, it will be heavy. Wallah. This Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long by default. It's always long. Wallah, 2 counts long. Allahu, who is short, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Khairul, this is lean, and this is 2 counts long sound. Khoi, kha is heavy, and give it 2 counts long. Sound khoi urul, ra is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips, and for lam tawassut, give tawassut. Ma, 2 counts long. Ki, short. Reen, 4 counts long. And when you are giving sukoon, you are giving sukoon at the end of the letter, so noon will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Khairul makirin. This sound should be there to create this tawassut. إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاعل الذين اتبعوك فوق الذين كفروا إلى يوم القيامة ثم إلي مرجعكم فأحكم بينكم فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون. إذ. For kasra, give E sound. Hamza should be very sharp, and dal will get rakhawa, because rakhawa, dal is not under shidda huruf, not under tawassut. So whenever you will find something missing under shidda, something missing under rakhawa, then you will put it under the section of rakhawa. So rakhawa is the flow of sound. The sound should flow until you have breath. Qaf is heavy, and whenever alif is attached with the heavy letter, it will be heavy. Whenever alif is attached with light letter, that will be light. So here it will be heavy. And we will write capital H here. This lam will be light, but the lam in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy, because there is fatha before it. Allahu, who is short for dhamma. Circle your lips very well. Whenever you look at dhamma, you have to circle your lips, and it should be very much round. Your lips should be very much round to create a dhamma. If you are not circling your lips, that dhamma will not get that haq of its haq. Yeah, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat, and it should be 2 counts long letter, because ya has kasra before it. Sa, 4 counts long, because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Ya Isa. In, Hamza is very sharp. Focus, give E sound. For noon, you will give gunna, and that will be 2 counts, roughly 2 counts long gunna. Inni, is 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ta, short. Ta should be very much clear sound. It shouldn't get hums when this is mutaharika. Whenever ta is with sukoon, will get hums. Not mutaharika, ta will get hums. So ta should have a very clear shidda sound. Ta, waf. For wow, for fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. Waf. And that will get the fa will get hums. And fi, 2 counts long sound. Ka, short. Huwa, for wow, fatha, open your jaws, and for wow, circle your lips. Huwa, ra, 2 counts long sound, and this is heavy too for fatha and dhamma. With ra will get heavy sound. Huwa, ra, fi, for kasra, give E sound. Ru, for dhamma, circle your lips. Ka, short. ورافعك. E Hamza is very sharp sound. Lay. Yeah. You remember whenever you get ya and wow with tashdid, you always give number. And what number is? Number is a jump of sound. This sound should be more obvious than the other sounds. So listen to it carefully. E, e, lay, lay. When you are joining this lam with ya, this is the place where you will create number. Lay and yeah, yeah is short. E lay, lay, yeah. Again, if I'm not creating number, how I will say ilayya, ilayya. It will seem that there is no shadda. So we are not allowed to add a word in add a letter in Allah Subhanahu wa Taala's kalam, and even if we are not supposed to deduct any letter. So we cannot add, we cannot subtract. So we should give it a haq that there are two yas. Ilay, yeah, ilay. Yeah, and for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, short. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Oh, pa is heavy. Attached with ha, ha will get a rahawa. When you are joining pa with ha, this is the place where you will create rahawa. You will give a long sound, flow of sound here. It's not a long sound, but this is a flow of sound here. Mu, oh. This is Rahawa. He for Kasra, give this is very short and light sound. He, Uru. So where you are creating Rahawa? When you are joining Ta with Ha. When you are giving Kasra, there is no Rahawa. The sound is very short when you are giving Kasra. Mu, oh. He, Uru. Ra is heavy. Ka, ومطهرك kasra is short and very light. La, la, short. The is two counts long. Na is short. من الذين short. Fa has hums. Ru is two counts long. Short. And join your lips from the side and give a nice gap in between for wow. Wa, ja, two counts long. Ain kasra, give e sound. Lul, for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch this lam, your lips should be straight. Lul, for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is very short. The two counts long. Make sure you engage the right makhraj over here of dal. And what is the makhraj of dal? And the makhraj of dal is when you are touching the upper part of the edge of your tongue towards the to the upper two teeth. So the nat for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ta. Ta has very shadda sound, very shadid sound because this is part of shadda huruf. Nat, ta, ta is short, ba, short. Ru, ain from your throat and for the circle your lips. Ru, ka is short. Fa will get hums. And this is lean. It will take two counts long sound. Fa Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. La is short. The two counts long. Na short. Ka short. There is no hums in kaf when this is mutaharrika. Kaf will get hums when it has sakoon. So there is no hums here whatsoever. Kaf is very shadda huruf. So give shadda. Don't prolong the sound. Ka it it the makhraj creates a sound and the makhraj is being cut off. Ka, fa. There is hums on fa. Ka, fa, ru. Ra is heavy and this is 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. How it is munfasil jaiz? Because madda letter and hamza are in separate words. E, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. La, 2 counts long. Yaw, lean, so 2 counts long. Mil, for kasra give e sound and then attach with lam. Lam will get the tawassut. Mil, qi, qaf is, for kasra give e sound and qaf is heavy. Qi, ya is 2 counts long. Ma, short. And now you are creating buff. So this ta circle ta will be changed into ha. Ma. And ha will get rakhawa. When ha is with sukoon, it will get a rakhawa. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. Qiyamah. Thum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme will get gunna. And this gunna is a akmal gunna. So it will take longer time. And I'm giving you a rough time that is 2 counts long. Thum. This is gunna. And fatha is very short. Ma. Thumma. E. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. Lay. Again, there is never. When you are attaching lam with ya, this is the place where you will create number, and number is a jump of sound. Lay, ya is short. Ilayya maw. Meme is light, but ra is heavy. Why ra is heavy? It hasn't got any fatha dhamma kasra, so we have to depend on the letter before it. If it has dhamma or kasra, dhamma or fatha, then we will make ra heavy. So there is fatha, so we'll make ra heavy. No. And ra will get the wasut. Whenever ra is with sukoon, we'll get the wasut, and the wasut is a medium flow of sound. It will not be as long as rakhawa, but it will not be short as shidda, but it will get medium flow of sound. Look how I'm creating it. Maru. Ji for kasra. Give e sound. Ru for dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is very short, but it should be from your throat. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme will get the wasut. Kum. Fa for fa. Give hums. Ah. Fa ah. Ha will get rakhawa, the flow of sound. Ku for dhamma, circle your lips. U for dhamma, for circle your lips. Bay is 2 counts long because this is lean. Harf lean. Bay na. Harf lean. What is harf lean? Okay, I can explain it for you. Ya sakna qablaha maftuh and maftuh and ya واو ساكنة واو ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. So يا ساكنة يا with سكون قبلها مفتوح واو with سكون قبلها مفتوح. Look, this is يا سكون قبلها مفتوح. Then this is lean. This is called yailin. This is called wowlin. And this is yailin. So we are creating 2 counts long. Bay. Look, it takes time to say bay. Na is short. Kum for the circle your lips. As soon as you touch meme, you will give tawassut. Kum. Fi is 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Kum for the circle your lips. As soon as you will touch noon, you will give ikhfa, and this is ikhfa with ta. So your tongue should be straight because ta is a light letter. So this is the way how you will create ikhfa with ta. Tum for the circle your lips. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and it will get the wasut because meme is among the letter of len amar. Look, so the wasut is a medium flow of sound. Tum fi. This fa will get hums and that will be 2 counts long. Fi he is short. The that is light, but kha is heavy. Don't make Ta heavy. The kha will get rakhawa, flow of sound. Ta short. Li fu. Fu will be 4 counts long, and nun will get sukoon, and with sukoon it will get tawassut. تختلفون. فأما الذين كفروا فأعذبهم عذابا شديدا في الدنيا والآخرة وما لهم من ناصرين. I will explain in next clip. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.